Good morning, children. As you all know that your Unit 2 exams are coming. So, let's revise the lessons The God of River and Nina is the winner. First, I will explain to you a story The God of River. Children, this is a short and an interesting story about a boy, Ramesh. In the village Dhampur, Kishan, a farmer lived with his family. He had a son Ramesh who was 11 years old. Whenever Ramesh's mother cleaned the house, he used to collect the garbage and threw it into the river. One day, when he was about to throw the garbage, he saw someone wearing a golden crown coming out of the water. Children, who was he? Yes, you all know. Yes, he was the god of river. He said, I am very sad because people are throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. If someone will drink this water, he or she may catch diseases. Next day, Ramesh shared his experience with his friends and teacher. His teacher told him to dig a pit and put all the garbage into that pit. He told him that after a few days the garbage will turn into manure and his father can use this manure in his fields. Children, you all know that manure is a fertilizer which helps the plants to grow better. So, children, now tell me, how old was Ramesh? Yes, you all know. Yes, Ramesh was 11 years old. Where did the Ramesh throw the garbage? Yes, yes, Ramesh threw the garbage into the river. How did the god of water look? Yes, children. Yes, the god of water was tall and fair, but he looked very sad. Why he was sad? Because people were throwing the garbage into the water and they were making that water dirty. That is why the god of river was sad. Okay, children, tell me what might happen to a person who drinks dirty water. Yes, a person who drinks dirty water may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. Children, I hope now this chapter is clear to you. So, children, tell me what have you learned from this story? Yes, we have learned that we must not throw the garbage into the river or on the road. Instead, we should throw the garbage in the dustbin or dig a compost pit, just like Ramesh did. And you know, this will help to keep our environment clean and free from pollution. I hope you have understood the chapter nicely. Thank you. Children, let's revise the chapter Nina is the winner. Nina was excited as the annual sports competition was going to be held in her school. And Nina had given her name for 100-meter race. Her best friend. Who was her best friend? Yes, Medha was also a good runner. The sports competition was going to be special as the principal had announced. Announced means declared that a trophy would also be awarded to the best student of the school. After the chief guest's speech, the 100-meter race was announced. Nina was running ahead of all the participants, and just behind her was her best friend Medha. And you know what happened? Medha sprained her ankle. Sprain means there was a twist in her ankle and she fell down on the ground just when they were going to reach the finishing point. And Nina turned back to help her friend. The girl who was just behind Medha got the first position, but Nina was not bothered. Bothered means she was not worried about the prize. Nina lost the race, but the principal awarded her the best student trophy. Now, children, tell me which competition was going to be held in the school. Yes, children? Yes, the annual sports competition was going to be held in the school. And Nina had given her name for which race? Yes, correct. Nina had given her name for 100 meters race. Who was Nina's best friend? Very easy answer. Nina's best friend was Medha. Who was her best friend? Her best friend was Medha. Why was the sports competition going to be special this year? Yes, the sports competition was going to be special as the principal had announced that a trophy would also be awarded to the best student of the school. Which part of the school was beautifully decorated? Yes. Yes. The school ground was beautifully decorated. After whose speech the 100-meter race was announced? Yes, after the chief guest speech, the 100 meters race was announced. Who was running ahead of all the participants? Yes, you all know. Nina was running ahead of all the participants. Okay, tell me what happened when Medha and Nina were about to reach the finishing point. Yes, you all know the answer. Correct. When Nina and Medha were about to reach the finishing point, Medha sprained her ankle and fell down on the ground. Okay, children, tell me who won the race? Yes? Think carefully and tell me. Right. The girl who was just behind Medha crossed the finishing point and got the first position. What was Nina worried about? Yes. Yes, Nina was worried about her friend Medha. Why did the chief guest call Nina to the stage? Yes, children? Yes. The chief guest called Nina to the stage at the time of prize distribution to ask her the reason for stopping and losing her chance to win the first prize. Who was impressed with Nina's sense of duty? Yes, you all know the answer. The chief guest and the other listeners were impressed with Nina's sense of duty. Okay, tell me which trophy was awarded by the principal to Nina? Yes, you all know. Yes, the best student trophy was awarded to Nina by the principal. Okay, tell me who clapped for Nina? Yes, all the students, teachers and guests clapped for Nina. So children, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Now children, let's revise the word meanings of the lessons The God of River and Nina is the winner. First, we will revise the word meanings of the chapter The God of River. First word is cottage. Cottage is a small house. Second word is domestic. Domestic means relating to home or family, as you have read about domestic waste and industrial waste. So, domestic is relating to home. Next word is pit. Pit is a large hole in the ground. Next word is pollute, means to make the environment dirty. Children, you have read about the water pollution. When we throw waste in the water, it causes water pollution. Next word is guilty, means to feel bad for something done wrong by you. As you have read, Ramesh felt guilty for polluting the water. Last word is manure. Manure is plant waste and animal dung used for fertilizing land. Children, manure is a fertilizer which helps the plants to grow better. Now, let's revise the word meanings of the chapter Nina is the winner. First word is confident, means sure. Second word is gradually. Gradually means slowly. Next is confused. Confused means unable to decide. When we are not able to take a final decision, that means we are confused. Next word is swollen, means bigger than normal. Children, sometimes when we have irritation in our eyes become swollen. Last word is sprained. Sprain means sudden twist of a joint causing pain. As you have read, Medha sprained her ankle. That means her ankle got twisted and that is why she fell on the ground. Children, I hope now both the chapters are clear to you along with their word meanings. As you know, in your exams, you will be getting MCQs and you have to click on the correct option. Children, there will be a time limit also, which you must keep in mind. So, all the best for your Unit 2 exam.